What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Nazik 4. Today with me here I have Michael. And Michael, what are we going to be building today?
Toy Story 4 roller coaster.
Yep, we're going to be building a Lego Toy Story 4 roller coaster. See you there. CJ, cue the intro. With you. I'm on the side with you. I'm on the side. I'm on the side with you. I'm on the side with you. And we have finished building, and Michael, what's your guide that you have?
I have this, and he looks pretty cool. You see how he has wings at the back, and he has a cool head, and you possibly move this, but you can take his suit off, and yeah, he looks actually pretty cool.
Yep. I got the alien. He has like a special little head, 3 eyes. Pretty cool. Pretty basic, but I like Buzz's helmet. And then we have
And he can fly.
oh yeah, Buzz can fly. That's pretty cool. And then what do you got here, Buzz?
We have
The snack cart.
yeah, the snack cart. We have a balloon here, you see. And we also have a popsicle.
Yummy.
And there's some sort of pizza.
Even more yummy. Alright.
And you can make it go like this. And this here is supposed to be holding it.
Oh, he wants like, some pizza.
He's supposed to be holding it, right?
Oh, that's cool. You can hold it. Oh yeah. Alright. Well, I showed him that. We have the roller coaster here, the actual cars. The back two are pretty basic. There's some wheels on the underside like this. And then just some cars, but the front has a cool little design on the front, as you can see. So it's pretty cool. And then it just latches onto the track. You got him there? Yep. That's pretty cool.
And you what?
Yeah. You got Mr. Pizza. Alright, and then we also have here at the front, as you can see, the little turnstile.
I want to go on the ride.
He goes in. He can also spin really fast and look cool.
And then he gets on.
Oh, also on the back, there's a camera to take your picture on the ride.
Yeah. And then you can get
So
on.
get on. Get on, Buzz. And then
you go like this.
smile for the camera, Buzz. And there we go. That is set number 10771. It is the Lego Toy Story 4 Carnival coaster. It's a really good set. You can make it. You can make the roller coaster actually.
Bye-bye.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash those buttons, and comment if you want some more Lego builds. It's been the Nazik 4, and we're out. See ya.